KLUG stock analysis and plug power stock prediction. Crazy part about this is my idea absolutely delivered. Let me show you the proof. I plug power, this is the most recent video, which was made 11 days back. There you go. 114 at the time. Looking to take it to above like 150 something ish. This is so sick, because beforehand you can see I even got a loss. So this is such a plus 4R. Easy, you know, easy. And there's also like nothing else that I'll be adding here. Very simple. Like I do have a lot of receipts, but does that mean that I'm gonna buy? No. That being said, if you want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description. Get the insights, the risk-free way. 1,200 people have already gotten it. See you in the next one. But wait, there is more. Since this has delivered, I'm just gonna mark up the new highs. And I'm ready for round 2. Let's freaking go.